Why you need to keep your filaments dry. Moisture in filaments can cause imperfections like this and can ruin the print. So I decided to solve this problem and I made this desiccant container. I bought this desiccant pack from Amazon. After filling the container, I put it inside the filament spool. This is going to absorb all the moisture and will help with the print. I'm going to make more of this in future.